Hello guys, in this video guys, I'm going to share to all of you my lunch mukbang, which is the spiral vegetarian pasta using or with fried eggplant, and now I put also broccoli sprouts. And if ever I want us more spicy, I will use this Thai sweet chili sauce. So guys, and I have also this chamomile tea. So let's eat guys. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and here it is guys, itong niloto ko. Nasabi ko nga sa inyo guys, ibubukod ko yung pag-upload ng nagluto ako at kumain ako. So naman para update ako sa mga pag-upload. At ito na yun guys. Kakainin na natin itong aking vegetarian spiral pasta using fried eggplant. And now I added these broccoli sprouts. So let's gonna eat guys. ASMR sounds guys. Nagay na ako. Parang sigay. Try it guys. Even no meat, using fried eggplant, it's delicious. See? Yummy. Sandali lang guys. Hello guys, I'm back. And yeah, here it is. Still eating. I could not finish this guys, so I can eat this for dinner. Laki ng bunga. It's delicious. Binukuran ko si Lolo konti lang, si Grandpa. Baka hindi niya kasi maano yan guys, iba yung kinakain niya. Yung kinakain ni Grandpa, yung mga anak niya magdadala dito ng pagkain guys. So nilulutuan ko lang yung sarili ko. Sarap guys. In fairness. 2 pieces nga lang na slice, tawag doon, cheese. Lalo na kung dagdagan ko ng cheese. Wala na. Bahala ko sana gawin ito next week pa. Pero nagutom ako guys eh. Nasasawa ako dun sa kalulugaw ko. Kumusta? Kumusta kayong lahat? How are you guys? Siguro yung iba nagpapasko. Ako kasi many years na guys, I did not celebrating Christmas. Natulo yung ano ko guys, tubig sa ilong. Sa anghang ng sauce. Pero masarap siya na sauce. Ilang ano na ba ako? Ilang oras na ako? Lagpas na ba ako ng 5 minutes? 3 minutes pa ito dito. Tapos yung kanina. Naubos na yung broccoli guys. Hindi ko yung ubusin kasi pang breakfast ko din yun. Sa sandwich. Yun guys. Ang ginawa ko, gagawa ko ng mga video katulad nito. And then I put it in private. So if I want to put it in public, I just click it. It's easy to click because I have a lot of ready videos to put in a public. Kasi as long as na may time ako mag-video guys, I will video. So I have upload. Kasi kahit kunti lang ang views guys, okay lang. Kaysa wala ka talagang upload, wala talagang views. Hindi ko na ito maubos guys. I feel full. I can feel I'm full. So guys, I will eat this like for 1 meal or 2 meals. It depends guys. Maybe it is 2 meals because at night I'm not eating a lot. Kasi when you are sleeping guys, don't eat a lot guys para hindi kayo bangungutin. You could not have a bad dream. Bad dream. Kung busog kayo guys, tapos na naginip kayo, tapos may mga bad dream kayo, may chance na mabangungutin kayo. So guys, once again, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the red button for subscribe and ring the bell for notifications para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload ko. I'll see you guys in my next vlog.